Hello and welcome to another MainView for IMS functions and features training session. Today we will be looking at monitors inside MainView for IMS. My name is Mike Frost and I am a software consultant with BMC. We'll go ahead and jump right into our TSO session and take a look at monitors inside of MainView. So go ahead and enter MainView as we normally would. We want to use option 1 for MainView. We then select I for IMS, and then again option 1 for MainView for IMS Online. Here we have the ability to set a context. For this situation, we want to use all as it's the default, and we'd like to see all of our various IMS systems. If you wanted to look at one individual IMS, you could do so by entering that IMS name here. So go ahead and hit enter. Once we enter the IMS SSI Easy menu, we want to PF8 down and go to our monitors section. Our monitors are important because they can give us an overview of what is going on in our systems currently. The very first thing you want to look at, especially if you're someone who is on call or is in charge of managing the health of your IMS systems, are your monitors that are in warning. Now here in the MON view, we would see monitors that are currently in warning. Thankfully for us, we don't currently have any monitors that are in warning. But if we did, we would see our requests here. We'd have our PARMs, the monitor value, the warning value, what level we're at, monitoring interval, target, status, the user ID, our severity, the area, the warning type, the monitor type, PF11, and finally with our monitor type. Next, we could PF3 out and look at our active monitors. Here's where we can get an active view of all the active monitors that are running across our various IMSs. As you can see, for the 8 IMS systems, we have the number of monitors ranging from 17 all the way up to 35 for each system. Here we can see the number of monitors in warning from 0 to 20, as well as the average percentage of warning all the way up to the maximum. So we could go from 0 to 100% with a warning label. This is a nice place to come to see if you have any monitors in warning, as well as the percentage that they're at. Of course, if we have a large number of average percentage warning growing, we can identify that we are indeed having an issue. Next, we can PF3 out of there and look at our workload objective. Here, we can see the values that are put on each of our different workloads and the response times. We can see if there are any variances from what our goal is to what the actual is. These here in this screen are the defaults that come with MainView for IMS. Here we can see our workload, our goal percentage, the transaction count, our composite workload, the target, and the objective met. This is a useful screen because we can see statistics on all these various workloads. Once we're done with this screen, we can go ahead and PF3 to return to the Easy SSI menu, and then we can see our area summary. In the area summary, we can get an overall summary of our areas that are in warning. We can see our target, the area, the number severity, the percent in warning, the average value, as well as the average monitor value, as well as the average warning value. So for example, we can see for a IADB IMS in the IMVS region that we have a severity of 3 at 32.9%. Now 32.9% may seem high, but we can see that the average is 28.0%, and we can identify that this is indeed not a major issue. Again, this is a good area where we can come and take a look and see how our targets are doing, the areas, the number of severity, as well as if we are far past the average value that we have for our monitor. Again, if we are far past that, that may identify that we have an issue. That does it for our monitor section. If you'd like more information on the monitor section, you can go to the BMC support website and utilize the documentation that exists for MainView for IMS Online. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube pages, the Mainframe Solution System Management. Thank you again for your time today. I hope you have a great day, and please utilize the rest of the MainView for IMS videos that we have available. Thanks again. Have a great day.